Guys, welcome to my channel. I'm very nervous about posting this video up because it's my first ever YouTube video. But there was a poll in the favor of posting a saree styling video on YouTube on my Instagram story. So here it is. But before styling a saree, the important step is to wear a saree. So following is the simplest saree tutorial you would ever see. So let's go. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please hit the like button, comment on your favorite look and share it with your friends and family. And if you're doing all this, why do you mind hitting the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I put some new and definitely improved content. Also, you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest by the handle the Harshna Lalwani. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe, and hope we meet soon. Bye bye.